Hi everyone, I am Anil Kumar, motivational speaker. Today I am going to talk about LLB examination tips. Sometimes we may neglect so many things in our life. So that negligence will lead damage for our LLB examinations. I, I can give many examples what we are facing in every day. So if you make correct those things, definitely we can score very good marks in LLB examinations. Sometimes we may neglect our writing pens. Many of the students are there. Tomorrow examination is there means they buy pens. That is not correct. Before 15 days examination is there. After receiving notification for LLB examinations, in that time itself you have to purchase half dozen or 1 dozen of your favorite pens. After that, what we have to do is every day we should practice like half an hour, 1 hour, whenever you require time, you have to write in that pen. What is that benefit to writing during that time? You can improve your writing speed in that particular pen. So many of the students have seen tomorrow examination is there means today they will purchase the pen. In that new pen only, what they are doing, they are going to write examinations. So during 3 hours of time, you cannot writing very speedily because new pen cannot smoothly writing. If we make some practice, if we make practice like writing, then only it will be get very smooth while writing examinations. My important tip here is you have to purchase the pens before 15 days prior. What we call priorly, you have to take purchase 15 days before the examination. After that, you have to write some. You take 3 to 4 pens. You have to write it. You have to practice it in writing so that the pen nips will be there, that will be get smooth. You can write if you get practice writing in that particular pen in the examination of time during 3 hours you can write very smoothly and calmly. So in earlier videos I've told LLB examination is like a war. In that war particular especially our weapon is pen. So that pen should be get practiced daily. So in that time it is very important. Please be noted. Pen is very important. That is your weapon. So please purchase. You may think this is very small thing, but for me it's a big thing. Through pens, I have written so many pages with quality answers. So pen is very important in your especially examinations of LLB, 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB. We should not neglect about our pen. Tomorrow examination is there means please today don't purchase like that. Priorly you have to take purchase and after that you have to make practice writing. This is one tip. Then second tip is many times we are not aware about our hall ticket. What we'll do, many of the students they will not collect priorly. What they will collect the particular examination date. Sometimes you may reach late at your college. So what will happen? You will get tension. You have not got taken your all tickets. During that time, what will happen? Your mind will be get tension. If you get tension, definitely, obviously, you may forget your answers whichever you have read. So my tip is you have to collect priorly your hall tickets, especially. This is very important tip while during your examinations. The next tip is while writing examinations, you have to manage time very effectively. Before get into the examination hall, you have to fresh yourself and drink little water. Don't take too much of water or don't take too much of caffeine like coffee or tea. Don't take too much of breakfast. That should be very light, and tea or coffee should be light, and water also should be light. Don't take too much. So too much will leads damage while writing your examinations. You cannot able to write properly if you ate too much of food. So my tip is you have to take lightly and get into the examination hall. This is very important tip. In the examination time, before getting into the hall, at least 5 minutes, please don't talk with your friends, don't read or don't write. Just sit one place calmly and take breathe. Breathe in, breathe out very slowly. Like if you have had practice with your yoga or meditation, that is fine. If not practiced also, please get practice. Inhale and exhale of your breath. That is very important. You should always calmly get into the examination hall. This is these are the things nobody will teach and nobody will tell. But specifically, I'm telling why because these silly mistakes, the damages is the damage is cost is very more. So that is why I'm discussing and explaining my experience, share thoughts in this video. Many of the students they may neglect about writing their notes. Please don't neglect while writing your notes. Notes is an important tool you can share in one particular place. You can club together all questions and answers, relevant questions and answers for your examination point. During the examination time, if you would like to take your own notes, like 15 pages, 20 pages, if you go through the particular notes, that is fair enough to write your LLB examinations because you have all input in there in that particular notes. So that particular notes, if you study during the examination, that is fair enough to write and score your good marks in your LLB. So these are the very important tips. Please don't neglect these things and please don't take like these matters are very silly. Please don't take. Please be honest. LLB examination is like a war. It's like a war. We are the soldiers. We have to practice each and every day so that we can score very good marks as well. We can pass the first attempt itself. So I hope this video will give some clarity about the important tips during the examination time. I have explained even time management also in my earlier videos. I would like to stress little bit about time management also in this video so that you will get clarity about your time management. During 3 hours of LLB examination, everyone has a 3 hours. Many of the students they have not complete all the questions. Sometimes they may think about irrelevant during the examination. My advice is to whichever you know first, whichever you know best, you have to prefer first question. You have to answer thoroughly and properly within a stipulated time. I have explained about 10 marks question, 6 marks questions, and 16 marks question. What, how much time you have to take it, that you have to take it and write your examinations. You have to complete within the time stipulated time. You have to complete all your relevant questions in the LLB examinations. So, if you would like to, you know, follow these steps, definitely you will get score good marks in LLB examinations. I hope my videos are very helpful. Please do subscribe my channel Lil Kumar Ketty so that you will get notified these kind of very good informative videos about your LLB examinations. Please do subscribe once again. I would like to tell, and please do forward my videos as many as possible so that they will also get benefit. So my intention is to everyone has to get pass and everyone has to improve in their life. Everyone has to stand on their own feet in their life. Thank you.